Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on and off auto brightness in OPPO phone. So let us start our video. Firstly you have to move up. Then here you will see many app icon. Here you will see you have to click on the setting icon first. Then here you will see many option. Here you will see, so you have to click on the home display and brightness option first, so click on that option. Now again here you will see many options. Firstly you have to, if you want to turn on and off auto brightness option, so firstly you have to on this, and here you will see your brightness is adjusted automatically according to your screen brightness. And if you want to turn off auto brightness, so you have to click on that. So it means that now brightness is not changed automatically. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.